not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate, but even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace, let your anger find release, plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Oh, emancipate your wandering mind, leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine, we are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone, Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see, He lives in you and me. Jah guide my way through night and day, keep my soul from drifting away, through the fire, through the rain. Your love heals my pain. Jah guide my way. I'm not alone, even far away from home. I will stand, I will say, Jah guide my way. Yeah. Nah, yeah, still be early morning, sun arise from the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat, 'cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenton to Soweto plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall, brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree, speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa flowing, you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jah Jah, guide we soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conquer all.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're all once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom right.
Oh, lion heart
Still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path, me a walking.
no change, no fear, just love we speaking.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire, oh Jah guide the way. cry, but them keep still. Mama said tender way ma do good, my child don't fear. For Jaja blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart, no storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Rise up my people. Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we hold the fire in our hand. Rise up, I and I together, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song, no matter how the journey long. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try to take we name, try to take we look, but the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so. Me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant down greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yo, yes, we answer the call. Djembe, heartbeat, same sound. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Rise up my people. Jah love is the highest steeple. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro, no fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one fate, one song. Together we forever strong. Freedom shall come. One love, one heart, Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say amen, Jah Rastafari. Oh, na, 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 no. Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, steal the right, but from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud. No change from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Trenchtown to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by our side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
castle to Zion, son. Lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in the morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. When the world feels dark and heavy and the road is full of stone, just lift your eyes to the morning sky. You'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. 'Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. Mama on a king, you were never torn, yeah. Oh. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what Mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the Ancient of Days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud, saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishike Mko, no. Lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn, yeah. Wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. touch is the treasure I wanna hold. When your smile shines, troubles disappear. Every scar becomes crystal clear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go. Feel the ocean's gentle flow. Love under the moonlight, everything feels right. Let the world spin on its own. Oh, in your arms I feel at home. Every breath, every sigh sings a love that never dies. Everything feels right.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be.
Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. In your arms, me wanna stay.
song sweet and divine.
Loving by the moonlight, slow wine and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart say, darling, I love you so. Whoa.
Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. With you, I'm flying high above every loss.
No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless, it never late.
Do you love me?
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me?
Till the stars fall asleep.
Together, love is the melody we keep. Loving in the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, I want the whole world to know.
Loving under moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day. If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh, shine by you and me tonight. Love so right, love so bright. Moonlight, oh, yeah, oh, no, 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 no. Born in the fire of a stolen land. Chains on your feet, but strength in your hand. They tried to break you, tried to erase, but your roots still grow in every place. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall. Yeah, they can steal gold, they can steal a crown, but never the rhythm or the drum beat sound. From Ethiopia to Ghana shore, your blood remember what you're fighting for. Yeah, yeah. Rise up from the scars and pain. Your history runs deeper than the rain. But on, lift your voice like the thunder call. You're a warrior, never crawling. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with a lion smile. Walk tall, African child, your spirit is brave, your heart is wild. From Kingston streets to the Nile, walk tall with eyes glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In the struggle, me find me peace. In the storm, me find release. Though the world's so cold, my soul still warm. 'Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Whoa. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, oh our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Jah, thank you, Lord. Me heart and soul restored. Oh, more Jah feel life, peace we trod. Guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Freedom all around, from Kingston streets to Zion shore. Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every day, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On a one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. On the golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On a one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, oh. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. One love, highway. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may.
From the day we born, say keep your head low, don't question none. But miss the truth in all the rising sun. Babylon rule soon done. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still stand tall, me no feel no pain. Cause the power of Jah live deep inside. No system can stop this ride. Yeah.
No bullet, no bomb, no chain can hold. Revolution come in a heart so bold. Wake up the youth, hope in your eyes. Time to see through Babylon disguise.
One drop revolution, beat of the heart. Freedom sound, tear Babylon apart. No gun, no hate, no illusion. Just love and one drop revolution. One drop revolution, feel it in your soul. Music kill the people, make them whole. Truth and right, our only solution. One love, one drop revolution. No, 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 no.
Drop revolution,
Yeah, no, 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 no.
one drop revolution,
Yeah, no, 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 no.
revolution,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
one drop revolution.
Me see the leaders talking on big TV, but hungry still up on every street. Me see them build it tower high, forget the poor. How long we are suffer more? Me tell me people unite, don't fight. Light overcome the darkest night. From Trenchtown straight to Jakarta, sun. The freedom song just begun on earth.
Can't silence truth with silver chain. Can't stop the root from grow again. So we're chanting out the name of Jah. Rebel with love, that's who we are.
One drop revolution, sound of the drum. We rise again no matter heart of the people.
Revolution come, peaceful but equal.
One job forever.
Jah guide these people, yeah.
Under the mango tree, me and you talk about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me heart with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true, every beat me heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold, just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me too, soul entwined. In a Jah light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word make me spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. Jah bless our love from the start. The roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Yeah. Hold me close, me darling, true. Love so strong, it carry we through. Jah bless this bond, Jah bless this way. Roots of love forever stay. Me no fear tomorrow when you dey here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love. Tough love, deep like a tree. Stand firm through eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Bloom again and again in sunshine, in joy, in rain. Jah guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true, every beat me heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. I feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love. Hey, 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 Mama cry, drum beat echo from the mountain lion. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eye. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whistle. deepest secrets only ancient spirits know. Mama Earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain, but Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one, we never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Stop the burning, stop the earth. From Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sand, searching for water with empty hands. Still them smile, still them sing just song. Even when the nights feel cool and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in us all. Watch it grow, despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Heal the land, give it worth. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, all are when people, when life beat them down. Yeah, Mama, no cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Oh yeah. Jah protect we from the mountain to the sea. If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children. Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one not one world forevermore. Shall light guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Oh, rise up, yeah. Rise up, yeah. Rise up. Mama said, don't you lose your way. Remember where your soul was made. In the drum beat of the earth, find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Babylon calls with silver chains, but I won't bow to golden names. Riches fade like morning light, but
Emancipate your mind today. Don't let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Roots and freedom, Jah knows. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, Jah light will lead us home. Oh.
When the night come down, me heart start to hum. A sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash my sorrow, you ease my pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find me peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray. Cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of your love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we are. Me remember when my life feel dry. You bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain. It heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to Jah's sweet song. Through this struggle, me not complain. Cause love like ours never go in vain. And sweet melody of your love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heartbeat one again. Oh, sweet melody of your love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness come, we still hold tight. Cause love is strong, Jah make it right. All together, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the drums play on. Cause this love will never done. And sweet melody of Jah love, flow like river, pure and tough. Forever yours, forever true, Jah bless.
fire. Drum beat na my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sun to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mile.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still live on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop Jah people rise high. Roots man vibration,
Feeling on the ground,
drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
from Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound. Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
Rise up and stand.
all your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jam down land.
One Jah, one heart, one stand.
Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey, Jah, Jah, we still hold on.
Roots man vibrations, click up the wall.
Freedom voice echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration.
Light up the sky.
Jah spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong. Drum still beating, fire still burning. Roots man stand tall, just still turning. Africa, mama, I'ma feel your call. One world, one love for all who care.
Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young.
Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, yeah. Still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food inside. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing a mandla, umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight. We'll make it right. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by me face. Mama praying in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough but me trod with a heart full of fire. No chains for me spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stopped the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in a light. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in a night sky. Barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing though hunger around. Africa me blood, Jamaica me song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready fi grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Respond to the stars tonight. Make the people unite. No change can hold down a free soul life. Oh, Africa, calling back we to the roots, alright. Rise up in the morning sun. Drum a beat and the freedom come. From Trench Town straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we home. Rise up, holy fire high. No more tears in a mama eye. Star may blow, but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Rise up, Jah light a guide we step. Ooh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset.
Jaja warrior, stand tall, stand firm. No matter storm, no matter burn, roots and culture shall return. From the dust of Africa, me ancestors' eyes, through the pain and the fire, still wisdom in their eyes. Babylon try break we with chain and gun, but the spirit of the lion can't be overrun. Walk barefoot on the sacred ground, hear the heartbeat of the drum, that thunder sound. Me carry history in every vein, me soul no bow to Babylon chain. Stand firm, Rasta man, don't lose your way, even when the night swallow up the day. Hold the torch, let your spirit burn. One day to Zion we shall return. Roots, roots warrior, carry the flame. Call upon Jah, no fear, no shame. Stand strong in the lion's name, never play the Babylon game. Roots, roots warrior, heart of steel. Faith in Jah is the shield we wield. From the hills to the battlefield, truth is the weapon we reveal. They laugh when you rise and cheer when you fall, but the righteous never crumble, we answer Jah call. System push you down, try mash your pride, but a true warrior fight with Jah by his side. Me see my brother in chains of poverty, me see my sister cry silently. So I chant psalms we break this spell, let the trumpet of freedom ring like bell. No retreat, no surrender. Jah love make the heart grow tender, but don't mistake kindness for weakness. Roots warrior stand in the heat, yeah. Roots warrior, carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Roots warrior, carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Bob Marley chant, none but ourselves can free our mind. Peter Tosh cry, equal rights and justice. So we stand as warriors of roots and never resign. Warrior, warrior, Naya Bingi fire. No change, no liar. Jah take we higher. Roots warrior, heart full of fire. Drum beat rise like a holy choir. From Kingston town to the banks of Nile, warriors march every step, every mile. Roots warrior, don't die inside, even when Babylon collide. We no run, we no hide. Jah warrior stand with pride. Woke up this morning, breeze so kind. Golden rays are dancing in my mind. Got no worries, let the world just roll. Reggae rhythm healing all my soul. Let the sunshine break the night, let the music make it right. Sunshine on my soul, let the good vibes flow. Life's a winding road, but I take it slow. With a heart so free, smile. Time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Boy, raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jaja will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Walking through the streets with no gold to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Yeah. Let the drum beat carry you away. Let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sorrow. town. People cry but still stand strong. Babylon a push we down, but the heart keep beating on. Mama said, child, don't let the fire in your soul. For every chain them try for bind, your light will take control. Children barefoot in the street sing a song of better days. Elders whisper ancient prayers in 1,000 humble ways. Though the night feel long and cold, we now bow to fear of pain, cause the spirit of the ancestors still running through we vein. Hear the drum beat on the wind, calling I and I again. Stand together hand in hand, break the invisible chain. No matter tribe, no matter skin, we all bleed the same red. So lift your voice up to the sky, let the fire spread. Rise up, oh lion, burning flame we cannot part. From Africa to island shore, we stronger than we were before. One love, one blood, one destiny. No hatred, no more enemy. Jah guide we spirit through the storm. Together we rise, together we born, yeah. Together we born, together we born, oh yeah. Peter Tosh says stand firm for your right. Bob Marley chant one love tonight. Loki Dube cry out prisoner of war. Steel Pulse beat the drum of hope once more. We carry them voice like sacred flame. Each generation call Jah name. Even if the system try to blind we sight, truth shine deeper than the night. No more brother fight, brother sister quarrel in vain. We not divide by color, by language or name. Africa heartbeat in a reggae sound. From Kingston streets to Cape Town ground, burning spear in a breeze still blow. Marcus Garvey words must grow. Rise up, oh lion heart. Fire burn both we in a deep part. Hold the line, don't lose the faith. Jah timing never come too late. One tribe, one voice, unity. Drum of freedom set we free. Though the world still full of pain, together we rise again. Drum a beat for the fallen brave. We remember from slave ship tears to the freedom way. We surrender never, never. Lift your fists high, let the fire ignite. In a Jah love we win this fight. Oh, spirit of the lion roar. We not bow down no more. Rise up, oh lion heart. From the ashes we depart. Carry hope like morning sun, till the battle day is won. One word, one soul, unity. We plant the seeds of harmony. No weapon, no chain can break the burning love that we create. Oh, rise up, oh, aye, oh, guide us home. One love, one heart, we are never alone. Oh, oh, oh. She tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love, in the ghetto we sing. playing